Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up using Fonetool. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type Fonetool. Click the very first link that you can see here. And then in their homepage you will see this free download. What you're going to do is to tap this one. You will be notified if it's starting to download. You just have to go to your download folder and then run this as administrator. Once done, go to Start menu, look for Fonetool, run as administrator again, and then open. So this is what it looks like. If you have connected your iPhone to your PC, then automatically you will see this information inside the Fonetool. So Fonetool has tons of features here, such as my iCloud, my backup, phone transfer, phone backup, WhatsApp. So let's focus here on phone backup. So you have two options here, selective backup and full backup. In order for you to back up, you can choose from any of this. For example, if you want to select a specific, or if you want to transfer just one or two files, you just have to click this one, tap get started. For example, you just want to have backup for your photos, tap photos, and then proceed. Now, if you want to add another one, then it's okay. You can tap again photos, music, and so on. Basically, selective backup is for selective files only. Okay, so but if you want to have a full backup, like all files on your iPhone in one click, then you have to select this full backup. So go back, tap this full backup right here, get started, and all you have to do is to simply proceed with start backup. As you can see, all the files inside your phone will have a full backup. So that is the good thing about this Fonetool. Very easy, very quick. All you have to do is to click this and then wait for a couple of seconds till it reaches 100%. Then you will have the full backup of your files on your iPhone. So that's it. As a bonus, also Fonetool can detect files inside your WhatsApp, so you can do this backup WhatsApp or transfer WhatsApp here. So if you want us to create or make another tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next videos.